for your mamma aquaba eba a doom TV so enye edwedie inkomo na ene de yaba bedru Nanama Beauty Hair Salon. So let's just watch out. Yen hwe de ekoso wa ha say. Follow me. What you first saying? Mabena. Okay, we senior apprentice wa o. O say. Okay, this is an style be na mo ye ene de.
Blunt.
Where they? Plant. Okay, and so then when the chemu kakra. Blunt cat. Okay, and now we are ebe hu adeko. So sweetheart, also ye adwuma wa ha, sir. Oh, now you for saying?
Me de rajwa.
Rajwa. Okay, ne rajwa den na ye koso wa ha say. Say mo service mo ye den, mo den ni den na ya mo ye wa ha.
Acho ye adwuma bebele wa ha.
But me abubo bi atwe.
Ye wa hye wa, ye poni wa ha. Ye wigs wa.
Wig caps. Okay, any dem bio.
Ye ne nyina wa. Opa style bi e be ya ma.
Okay, makeup dem mo nye bio.
Me ba che ye ne mi so kan ho.
Mo ye no so kan. Okay, nana am I right?
Bacha.
You that's bebre. Hey, sweetheart, you're looking so beautiful. Oh. You be kakra fa ehwi ho kire yen why?
Acho your long hair wa ha, your closure wa ha, your frontal wa ha. You mean be out for be out, be wa ha.
Okay, mati say ya stars for ni tai ba ha pa.
Eh,
say why mo betu body na try.
Nana Mac Brown say wa me ya o.
Ano mo do so pa ye. Eh, and I'm saying chibi am me ba why.
So ye na brand.
Stop na ba ya ma me.
Me o pixie cat.
Me wu pixie why? Me that's me why. Okay. Sweet and everything saying.
Acho ye fe me
Susie. E na why fe say.
Me das.
Okay, now stop na ene de oye.
Acho me ye Kel's cat.
Kel's cutting and on one kasa ni tin wi na oye was.
Acho ye wig.
Wig cap into betumi ayi ato ho.
Acho. Acho sane ye no ye hye de mi bi hye chire na sane de Kel's na gusu.
Into say di ni the same bio.
Cutting.
Kel's cutting. Okay, that's nice. Oh bibi abeka your order for mo wa bontim because bebre e hwem.
I had ye bibia ye front etire bia ope bia cutting boyish bibia ye bi wo ha ye pedicle ye nails nti de ope bia oba ha no ma obenye bi.
Okay, nti ha say location e we him side. Say omo ba.
Okay, also be see Dr. Mensa Ecobank Main Street nim.
Ecobank Main Street. Okay.
Crampona Freya ye beba befa.
Hey, mo san ko fa nipa no. Oh, I like the service. Ana that's until they mess up back why. Hey, mo de mo ani nyina mo ho ye fefefe ada ye che da na select mo.
Oh, ya no cry, no cry.
Okay, nti say we den. Me hu say onu so ye work na so o look nice wo hu.
Ya had ye say ya salon e big salon nti say ma ho ye de.
Ye fe.
No ma ho nso ye neat. But trying washing na kan ba be ye no.
Be ye ni washing. Oh, that means me hu say news nyama so wa ha say. Mo ye ni nyina so.
Bia ye washing. Yeshane was when nipa se wo wani a ni nya ye bi wa ha.
Wow. Nti aya service na te say ne bo ye din pa na say obi abetumi abebi. Affordable ana.
Ye ni bo ye din sa. Ye gem se obi amra bi.
Nti obetumi a che bebi a mo pote.
Patron. Me patron ye wo Ashtown. Oba Ecobank. Hwane wo.
Edum ana Kumasi
Ashtown.
Kumasi Ashtown. Okay, you me that's bebre why?
You.
Who be abeka che wadofo because mo hwem.
Mo meyo muti wa ha, mo meyo washing pony me che obia.
Yeah, that's bebre so why? Nti na mama beka bibi kakra fa ne dwumadi a oye wa ha say akire yen. Nanama Beauty Hair Salon. Yo, yema wakwa baba Edum TV so.
Yenia.
Yo, na mi bisa say dey any dey na ye koso wa hai. Mo ye styles bi ana say mo obi bi mo ya munye bi. Something tell us something about your salon.
Okay. Your friend me nana man pacho so nya kwenya ba ha na so be ye uti ya your style bebre wa ha. Your pixie hair, your straight weave on, your blunt, your sweat, your boyish, your half cotton. Bibi ti say your frontal cutting. Yeah, bebre wa hanom.
Okay. Into mo services no it's the same.
Nice. Patcho se wo ba na onim ha, unya frame pebe bia ogina bia, ye ba be pickle. Ye wo ba un waste tie.
Wow. Sana here. Into mate say eh stars bebre tai ba ha say. No kwesa.
Patcho nyame adom, omo ba kakrakra.
Oh, and if it's a neck, come back be brace, ah. And see, no boarding. Obi wo person bra me ni tea, and so sure. If you say maybe.
Se wo fese be yo tea and hair store nim enfan jeje ho ofie because e wo form crowd kita 100 cedis, 120, 150 going up. Dia wo pese wo ye bia, wo sika sakra dia bribe manage amount.
Yeah, that's bebre. Na ahwefo so show wo bibia obeka kire omo.
Okay. Me chia me customers nyina, especially omo ye omo ti wa ha. Won so awofa ho adwen a eya wo so be so ye oti wa ha nso me chia we nwumre. Me encourage you so be ba be ye so be so hu twa na wo ye obesima dia pachel. Me kamfo na Nama Beauty Salon amount.
Yo, yeah, that's bebre no mre. Okay, you heard from Nana Ama Beauty Salon. Omoye etrie, omoye nails, lashes, bibia person onye bia, obaha, they'll serve you very cool and you'll be very happy. Into no more when you to bibia or has stars bia, you can think of omo pictures but ha kama my muti into the best shot of four. So person umbra Nana Beauty Salon. Ye be bobo numbers bia mo numbers na ye be try to ho. Na che say wa pick no friend and sana che say wait to me aba into Nana ma misre wo. Which one bobo numbers kakra ma me.
Okay, Pacho 0244 18 1486. Number otai frame me Benyami also no.
Okay. But which me asan bobiom
0244 18 1486.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so well, Edum TV. Yeah, ye diemu. And I'm when it's ye. Yada must be brain mumre. We'll meet same time next week. Workers on Muye Juma on Anama Beauty Salons and a mini mujina hey. Come musucha. Fine. Into ya say Edum TV. Edum TV.